Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. I hope you are good today. We will continue studying natural disasters and also past continuous tense. We are going to review the negative form and also yes/no questions. So, welcome to English class. Well, as this is about natural disasters, first of all, we're going to watch a video about hurricanes.
Cyclone, typhoon, hurricane. All of these names are used around the world to describe the most powerful storm known to man. Hurricanes are unpredictable. Scientists have a thorough understanding of how hurricanes form and sustain their power. In the Atlantic Ocean, hurricane season peaks during the late summer months when tropical waters are the warmest. Hurricanes form from a cluster of thunderstorms that suck up the warm, moist air and move it high into Earth's atmosphere. The warm air is then converted into energy that powers the hurricane's circular winds. These winds spin around a low-pressure center called the eye, which can provide a 20 to 30-mile radius of eerie calm. Encircling it is the eye wall, a towering ring of clouds with some of the fastest wind speeds of the hurricane. Surrounding the eye wall are curved bands of clouds, the rain bands, often tens of miles wide, releasing sheets of rain and sometimes tornadoes. When a tropical storm's winds reach at least 74 miles per hour, it becomes a hurricane. The hurricane then receives a category ranking of 1 to 5 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, based on its wind speed and potential damage. But wind speed isn't always the most dangerous component when hurricanes come near land. It's storm surge. Storm surge is caused when winds from an approaching hurricane push water towards the shoreline up to 20 feet above sea level and can extend 100 miles. 90% of all hurricane deaths are the result of storm surge. While hurricanes can cause mass devastation, just like other natural disasters, they serve a high purpose within the global ecosystem. Hurricanes help regulate our climate by moving heat energy from the equator to the poles, keeping the Earth's temperature stable. Over time, science has helped us to better understand hurricanes and predict their paths, saving lives through early warning systems and helping us build better infrastructure to protect our cities. The more we study these complex storms, the better we can prepare for them and minimize impact on human lives.
Well, after watching and learning something more about hurricanes, now we focus on past continuous tense. Let's remember the affirmative form. Here we have some examples. I was sleeping yesterday in the afternoon. Yo estaba durmiendo ayer en la tarde. My mom was preparing a delicious cake. Mi mamá estaba preparando un delicioso pastel. Recordemos que el pasado continuo se usa para narrar sucesos que tuvieron una continuidad en el pasado. Now, this is the negative form. I wasn't sleeping yesterday in the afternoon. Yo no estaba durmiendo ayer en la tarde. My mom wasn't preparing a delicious cake. Mi mamá no estaba preparando un delicioso pastel. Solo basta con añadir el not a was. En esta ocasión está abreviado, así que queda wasn't. Let's continue. They were watching TV yesterday. Ellos estaban viendo televisión ayer. Mary and Tom were drinking coffee. Mary y Tom estaban tomando café. Now the negative form is they weren't watching TV yesterday. Mary and Tom weren't drinking coffee. También le añadimos not o la forma abreviada queda weren't. Recordemos que usamos was con I, he, she, it y usamos were con they, we y you. Here we have the yes-no questions, las preguntas que se responden con un sí o un no. Son preguntas directas. This is the way we form these questions. Was your mom preparing a delicious cake? Se invierte el orden de las palabras, como siempre se hacen las preguntas. Ya no va your mom primero, sino was. Y las respuestas cortas son así. La afirmativa, yes, she was, y la negativa, no, she wasn't. This is another example. Were Mary and Tom drinking coffee? The affirmative answer is yes, they were, and the negative is no, they weren't. And that's it. Now let's read a short story about what happened last Sunday with Grandma. Vamos a leer esta historieta sobre lo que le sucedió a la abuela el domingo pasado. It's 11 o'clock. I was sleeping. What was that noise, Sue? I wasn't making any noise. I was talking on the phone. What was that noise? We weren't making any noise. We were playing. Again? Oh no, the noise is coming from outside. Now we have the questions. Number 1. Was the grandma watching TV? The answer is no, she wasn't. She was sleeping. Number 2. Was Sue talking on the phone? Yes, she was. Number 3. Were the children playing video games? Yes, they were. Were the cats drinking milk? No, they weren't. They were making noise. Fíjense que en las respuestas negativas podemos añadir también lo que sí estaban haciendo. And finally, the homework. Observa la imagen detenidamente y corrige la información que está al lado derecho. Por ejemplo, en el punto número 1 dice Kate was playing volleyball with Isa. Si observamos bien, nos damos cuenta que Kate no estaba jugando volleyball. Entonces escribimos Kate wasn't playing volleyball with Isa. Y luego escribimos lo que sí estaba haciendo. She was dancing alone. Y así con todos los puntos. Tienes plazo de subir esta tarea por módulos hasta el día viernes en la noche y allí también va a estar disponible esta tarea por si deseas imprimirla. And that's it, my dear students. See you soon.